Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Coming up next on Playhouse Disney.
Here's Frankie. Now let's do it together. First, roll out your ladder. I mean arms. Now wave your hands in the air to make your siren blare. Twirl it round and round and make a siren sound. Now jump up high and scratch down low, just like you're sliding down a pole. Wiggle your arms like a water hose. Now show me your fire truck moves. Come on, everybody, let's do the fire truck dance. Here we go, go! Make your arms go up like a ladder on a truck. Put your hands in the air with the siren wail. Say your word to the fire truck dance. Move your body. Move your hands. They jump through the hole. Slide down the pole. Wheel, 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 wheel. The fire truck dance. Roll up the ladder. Roll up the ladder. Roll up the hole. Roll up the hole. Everyone knows. Big black coon. Big yellow coon.
Whoa! What are you doing? Are you shaking your booty?
Speaking. Who is it? Oh, you hear a car honking sound. Oh, it must be Ellie Van and Junior calling from